In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create quality and engaging comments on LinkedIn Sales Navigator using AI from ChatGPT and Google's AI. Follow me and watch how we can create comments, authentic ones, within less than 5 seconds. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, so now I'm inside of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And as a seller, what I would do every single day is I would begin scrolling through each one of these items and then click view in order to be able to engage with my target leads. But that takes an inordinate amount of time to sit there and have to read each post one by one and think authentically, what am I going to say to the content here? And then I come over here, what am I going to say to this content here? And create these comments. Well, how can you do it in just a few seconds? Well, let me show you. Using FlyEngage AI, you can now actually utilize this technology to read the post and write an authentic AI-based response. Let's take a look at this message here. He says, are you considering purchasing a sales commission solution? Then you're going to want to read our latest blog post. In this article, you'll find a visual checklist that covers every key consideration and question to ask when evaluating commission vendors. Keep this list handy and you'll be sure to buy the solution that's right for your business. Now, interestingly enough, what I would normally do is I would come and I'd click on the article and I'd try to find a couple of good points from this particular article. Let's see if we come inside of here. We can now come to the comment area, and right inside of here, FlyEngage AI allows me to be able to write an optimistic reply, thoughtful, curious reply. I could customize each one of the prompts by clicking these little envelopes. And as I do that, I could also open up this prompt window right inside of here. Or I can come and I can create a custom prompt and ask the AI to read this. And the best part is, no matter what language this is written in, will reply back in that existing language. So let's write a thoughtful reply and let FlyMessage AI write this answer for us. Thanks for sharing this valuable resource, Matt. And I'm going to do an @ mention right inside of here, @Matt. That's always key to do that when you're engaging. And then we always teach our sellers \1 so that they know that you've authentically engaged with this. As a sales leader, which I am, I'm always looking for ways to improve my team's performance. This checklist will be a great tool for me to evaluate different commission solutions and make the best decision for my business. Okay, that's an interesting one. As a sales leader, that makes perfect sense for me, but it might not make good sense for you as an individual contributor trying to sell to him as a CRO. Well, what could you do? You could regenerate the response, or you can simply come in and rewrite a curious or optimistic reply. Let's try that. So now you've just seen the AI go out there and write for us. In that regard, here it says, thanks for sharing. This is a great resource for sales leaders who are looking to purchase a sales commission solution. The visual checklist is very helpful and provides a comprehensive overview of the key considerations and questions to ask when evaluating commission vendors. I will definitely be sharing this with my team. Thanks, @Matt. And I'm going to come inside here and tag him. And as always, we recommend delete that last name. And all I got to do is click post and go. So that is how you can scale your LinkedIn Sales Navigator commenting and engagement and take that basically to warp speeds. Long gone are the days where you could only engage with 5 to 10 prospects on a daily basis because it took too long. Now, with FlyEngage AI, you can go ahead and engage with your buyers authentically through AI. So how do you get it? Well, just go to flymsg.io. FlyEngage is part of the FlyMessage AI portfolio. So go to flymsg.io and try it for free today. Download it now through the Chrome or Edge store. Or visit flymsg.io and get your free copy and start engaging today.